My brother, my sister, enjoy your life. For life is very short. Live life, be nice to people, smile to people. For in this world, we are just visitors. Today we are here, tomorrow we're gone. I know by this somebody saying, open the bar, we are sure that Kakao, she him, hey, Nansan, Nansan, America, my mother, got dead. The children president. I want to render an apology to Ghana Police Service, from the IGP to the last constable, to the Cape Coast Regional Command, and to the Pentecost Division, especially Millennium City Police. I'm really sorry for an altercation I have, altercation, let me change the English, an issue I had with you people. I'm really sorry for some of the words I used on you. I was going through a lot at that time, and so I accepted the fact that I use some words that are not qualified to be used by a human being. I'm really sorry.